All right, so we just booked gains in Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can take a look at the trade journal right on your dashboard at pulsewavetrading.com. And now it's time to get into the end of day report. Uh, and we'll knock this out. We'll be as quickly as possible. I won't hold you long. All right, so first things first, we're going to take a look at ADA Cardano and see what the market did. And as you can see, we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Bottom of the Kumo cloud around the 50-cent mark is the target on that trade. Looking at Litecoin. For Litecoin for tonight into tomorrow's trading, we're already here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So we're looking to best the top of the Kumo cloud as our initial profit objective on this one. And that's not far away. You're talking around, I want to say 57.71. So 57.71 is the initial target, and then we'll see where we can go from there. I really think the market wants to gun at the bullish pointer here, and that should take the market nearer the $70 range. So that's what we're ultimately hoping for on that trade. Looking at Theta. For tonight into tomorrow's trading, we're looking for upside on Theta. Bottom of the Kumo cloud around the $1.30 mark is the initial target on that trade. Next up, we have XRP Ripple. For tonight into tomorrow's trading, this one is a neutral and will give the slight edge here. I want to say the bulls, but this one's so neutral, it could go either way. I'll go with the bear. I'll say the bulls have just a slight slither of an advantage going into tomorrow. So looking for a little bit upside here, excuse me, on XRP Ripple. Next up is the US dollar that continues to crack, just like the PulseWave report said so. We had a crash alert coming into today, and yes, the market gave more downside production in the US dollar, and the dollar is headed toward the 108 handle, which is the top of the Kumo cloud. All right, so the 108 handle corresponds to the top of the Kumo cloud as the first sign of support or first level of support for the US dollar. Next up is Bitcoin, the mighty Bitcoin. So I enjoyed the ride up, all right, and we have a rally alert for tomorrow. We're getting really close to that 21,000 level. We finally bested the 20,000 level. Now the market's trying to get to 21. Can it do it? I don't know. We hit a new weekly high today, and I think the market may not be done. So we're looking for the 21,000 level. We'll see what we can get out of that. But we do have this bullish pointer, all right, that the market is gunning for, all right? So we got to get above the 20,640. That needs to happen. We still haven't done that yet. So successful test and take out of the bullish pointer, that's what it would achieve. And I think 21,000 can go ahead and make that happen. All right. Next up, we have crude oil. So oil has been all up in the news, and you can see here we've been moving higher from the initial rally alerts back here, and the bottom of the Kumo cloud getting back up toward the $95 handle is now in play for oil. Next up is Ethereum. So Ethereum, we have we're looking for more upside on this one. We're trying to see if Ethereum can get back above the 1,500 mark. If it can get back above 1,500, then the bottom of the Kumo cloud setting at 1,650 should be in play. So we shall see. Next up is the Dow Jones by way of ticker DIA. And as you can see here, the market gapped up today. And so we're expecting some type of back and fill at some point. But if the rally is going to continue, if this is going to become a full-fledged bear market rally, then the bottom of the Kumo cloud at $320 a share is the initial target for this move. Looking now at gold miners by way of GDXJ. All right, so profit objective has been reached. All right, initial profit objective has been reached in the GDXJ. We hit the bottom of the Kumo cloud, which is the initial target. All right, so round of applause for hitting that initial target in GDXJ. Now, the next target will be the top of the Kumo cloud. See if the market can get above $34 a share. If not, then this will probably be the place where the bears come back into the market and take the market lower. That's what the fear factor is for now. But for now, the bulls got it right now. So we're expecting more upside production for tomorrow in this security. Next up, we got gold by way of ticker GLD. And as you can see here, almost nearing profit objective. All right, profit objective on this one is going to take you to about, I'll say, $163.52, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So almost there. Another $3+ to go before reaching that initial profit objective, but the market seems to be doing a good job. So looking for more upside potential tomorrow there. Looking at the Russell, my hustle. And as you can see here, nice clear gap. So we're looking for a back and fill, but we got more upside production coming. We got a rally alert, which shows that this is a good sign of a continuation. Bottom of the Kumo cloud on this one is going to correspond to $182.38 per share. So still got more upside room to go before leveling out in the Russell. Looking at the ETF for oil, OIH, it's in the Kumo cloud and it's reached both top and bottom of Kumo cloud. If it can get above 240, then it could open the door for some very interesting price action. So here's what's happening. You've managed to get out of the bull market complexion and you've entered a bear market complexion. All right. So overall, the bears are still in control, but the bulls don't have far to go to Russell control back of the market. You're right snap in the middle here of the crossroads where the bulls can really push the market to the next level, but it's looking like perhaps the bears still have an idea to come back because you got a gap here that needs to be plugged, right? Back and filled. So maybe the market is going to run out of steam up here. We'll see what happens. A successful pullback to close the gap would prove the strength of the bear market rally because you're in bear market territory now. So this is going to be interesting to see where the market goes. I would have thought this pricing would be a little bit smoother, but right now the futures seem to be a little bit smoother than the ETF at this point. So very interesting to see how we go. The Nasdaq 100. All right, guys, this is 2007 all over again. According to the algo charts, the Nasdaq 100 has not really been participating with the other indices in this move higher. That is a problem. That's very problematic. Very problematic. And we have this gap to back and fill. So if the Russell, the Dow, and the S&P continue to run and the Nasdaq does not run, it means the upside is doomed. And that means the bears are going to come in and they're going to decapitate Santa Claus, snipe him right out of his sleigh. All right. So this is a red alert that Santa may get sniped right out of his sleigh. Santa Claus rally could be in jeopardy, ladies and gentlemen, if this NASDAQ 100 doesn't start participating with the upward momentum. All right, so I've put the warning out there. You heard me tell you. It's looking a little shaky. Next up is silver. So silver is impressing, but we still got to come all the way down here and fill this gap. So we hit another new weekly high, and the bulls are in control, and we anticipate more continuation. But a back and fill must happen shortly. Next up is the S&P 500 by way of the ticker SPY. All right, SPY for the S&P 500. And this one is interesting because we don't have any gappage. So this one is an outright bull. It's ready to stampede. It's ready to go and hit the initial profit objective of $395. So it's saying I got about $20 left on the board for me to run. That's what the S&P is suggesting. So very interesting. And this is a rally alert for tomorrow. So, will the market do it, or are the bears going to come in and kick it in the teeth? This I'm watching. Here is your bonds. Here's your bonds. Ticker TLT. And you can see the consolidation continues. We got a rally alert for tomorrow, but I don't know if the market has it in it. I mean, this is the fourth day in. We tickle the system can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. Tomorrow will be day 5. If we don't get that rally, then for the most part, this rally alert goes away, and the bears will use whatever little upward momentum they can take and take us down to another leg down and another new 52-week low. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. All right. What about the U.S. dollar by way of ticker UUP? Well, I already showed you the index itself, and UUP has followed suit with the crash alert for tomorrow. About the $28.50 mark is going to be the initial target on this downward move. And yes, you are officially in correction mode now in the U.S. dollar. All right. I see you there. Let me pull it up. All right, so you want to see AVCT. All right, let's see. American Virtual. Let's see what we got. All right. We got a rally alert for this one for tomorrow's trading. The $4.50 to $5 mark is the initial target on the rally once it gets started on that one. All right, and let's see. Next, you want to see FNGR. Okay, finger motion. All right, this one. All right, this one has already broken out, and it's on the run. It is running. This is definitely a continuation pattern expected for tomorrow. You did gap up here on October 3rd, so some back and filling at some point needs to happen. But this one is definitely, this is in a nice bear market rally. You see this right here, this number 7 right here. This is on September the 22nd. That's your rally alert. So the system gave a rally alert on that date. And since then, the market has been up. It was flatlined for a long time, though, prior to this breakout. Not a lot happening. Just moving down slowly, slow grind lower. That's what it kept doing. And now it looks like it's ready to break out of that mode. Let's see what this thing looks like on a weekly. All right, so not a whole lot of data on this one. So you can say since 2015, April of 2015, you've been in this $2 to $3 range. Now the market's finally growing some legs. All right, so be it. All right, so it looks like you got yourself a rally going on here on this one. All right, then the next one you want to see is PSHG. All right. Performance shipping. All right. All right. So this one is in a bear market, and it looks like the little bit of a rally you had here for the last couple days is over. You got a crash alert for tomorrow. So it looks like this thing is going to possibly fall back down below 20 cents. All right. And then last but not least, we'll do Nvidia. Let's see. Nvidia. Haven't looked at this one in quite some time, since it was a $500 stock the last time I looked at it. Let's see what it is now. Oh, they must have did a split or something, because it's at the $100 mark. Let's see. Did they split, or has this thing just really fallen from grace? Let's see. Wow. Yeah. Wow. G. Willikers, Batman. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Let's see if I can pull up any more. Okay, yeah, they must have split this stock or something, because the last time I looked, this thing was a $600 stock. I remember back in the day before it hit the 200 when I was following it and I was tracking it back then, and I told everybody that it was going to run, and it sure did have quite the run, but it's coming down now. All right, so you got a rally alert for tomorrow. This one's just now starting to give you that upside production. Bottom of the Kumo cloud around the $165 mark would be the initial target on this particular upside movement. Oh, it split. Yeah, I figured that. I figured it did. Let's see here. Yeah, let's talk about that. You know, I didn't get a chance to talk about it. I've been pretty busy, but so you guys, you know, are pretty good in keeping me abreast of what's going on. So over the birthday weekend of mine, someone's posted in the trading room about the emergency Fed meeting that we had yesterday, and then the next thing you know, we have this market explosion. So it looks like the plunge protection team is back in the seat, because the market continued to explode some more today. So we've had 2 days of explosions. All right, when the Dow has pretty much gotten back at least what 2,000 points. So that's pretty significant, but bear market rallies can be that way. It does not mean that the trend has changed. It just means that you are experiencing a bear market rally. So I would be careful, trade what you see. If we're going to get a bear market rally, then go ahead and get long until the thing tops out, and then you can get short. It's just that simple. You ride the rhythm of the market, and right now it looks like the you know, for whatever reason, they want equities to go higher. So I don't care which way they want to manipulate the market. Who gives a darn? As long as we profit from it, right? As long as we're on the right side of the manipulation, who cares? So yeah, it's looking that way, my man. It's looking that way. All right. So as you know, the pulse waves are out. So just go ahead and refresh your browser, log into your dashboard, and have at it. And with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.